Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best portable hanger on the market, the 12 PCs travel hangers from Trubetter. Whether you're a frequent traveler, a cruise ship enthusiast, or someone who just needs a compact, reliable hanger for your dorm room or laundry setup, this product is designed to make your life easier. Right out of the box, the first thing you'll notice about these hangers is their lightweight and foldable design. They're crafted from durable plastic that feels sturdy enough to hold your clothes without adding unnecessary bulk to your luggage. When folded, they become incredibly slim, making them perfect for packing in your suitcase without wasting precious space. One of the standout features of these travel hangers is their anti-slip texture. The surface is designed to grip your clothes gently but firmly, so you don't have to worry about your shirts, dresses, or suits slipping off while on the go. This is especially handy when you're dealing with delicate fabrics or lightweight materials that tend to slide off regular hangers. The size of these hangers is another thoughtful detail. Measuring roughly 17 inches wide and just over 5 inches tall, they're compact yet functional enough to support a range of garments. Despite their slim profile, each hanger can hold up to 10 pounds, which means they're suitable for heavier items like jackets or coats as well. What makes these hangers truly versatile is their multi-purpose use. Beyond just hanging clothes, you can use them as a portable drying rack during your travels or in tight living spaces. This flexibility makes them an essential accessory for anyone who values practicality without sacrificing convenience. From a design perspective, the black finish gives them a sleek, modern look that blends seamlessly with any travel gear or closet setup. The foldable mechanism is smooth and easy to operate, letting you switch from folded to ready to use in seconds. In summary, the 12 PCs travel hangers by Trubetter offer a perfect balance of durability, portability, and functionality. Their compact size, anti-slip surface, and lightweight construction make them an excellent choice for travelers, students, or anyone needing space-saving solutions for their clothing. If you're looking to upgrade your travel accessories, these hangers might just be the best portable option out there. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product reviews and recommendations. See you in the next video.